Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to hide notifications on your iPhone's lock screen. Whether you're protecting your privacy or just want a cleaner look, this guide will help you keep your notifications private. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. This is where you can control how notifications appear on your device. Choose the app whose notifications you want to hide. For example, let's say you want to hide notifications from Messages. Tap on Messages, or any other app you want to customize. Under the Alerts section, you'll see options for Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. To hide notifications on the lock screen, simply toggle off the lock screen option. This will prevent notifications from that app from appearing on your lock screen. If you want to take it a step further and hide the content of your notifications, go back to the main notification settings and tap on Show Previews. You can set this to When Unlocked or Never to ensure that notification content is hidden until you unlock your phone. And that's it. Now your notifications will stay private and won't show up on your lock screen. This is a great way to protect your privacy, especially if you often leave your phone unattended. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Got any other iPhone features you'd like to learn about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.